Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today we are going to make some of the bunny themed DIYs. So let's start with DIY number 1. For this I got this huge egg from Dollar Tree. I used the other part for another DIY. I'm going to use the back part. For this I took one of this pink and white checkered fabric. This is also from Dollar Tree. And I'm taking a generous amount of Mod Podge and I'm smearing it with paintbrush. And I'm taking the exact square that I could fit in and I'm gently pressing against this glue and I'm going to let it dry. After it's dried, I'm just cutting out the edges of this cute egg shape, and this is how it looks. And this is one of the sign that I got from Dollar Tree long time back, and I'm going to attach that in the center. And these are some of the ears of a bunny, and also those are the feet from another sign of bunny as well. So I'm going to use the other side. So I just drew the feet with those cute toes, and then I'm painting the toes and the center part of the bunny. They're usually pink in color, so I thought like I would give this pink tone to this and using the chalk paint. And after I painted the feet, I'm going to attach these two together on top of this egg, just like that, with generous amount of hot glue. And I also ended up using permanent glue to make it stand permanently. And after I stuck these two, I also stuck the ears that I also extracted from another bunny pic. And also after this is done, I just took this beautiful Easter sign and I attached to the center of the egg, and I attached some of this jingle block to make it stand on its own. And I attached some of the roses on top of his ears and 2 carrots to its feet. And this is such a cute Easter sign, and I just love how this cute egg turned out into a cute bunny, and I am loving this sign. I hope you would like it too. So let me know your thoughts. And this video will be part of Easter Around the World. CJ from CJ DIY brought 18 of us together to make this beautiful collab, and all of us are going to give so many ideas to decorate your house for Easter. So please watch all of our videos and give a lots of love. Let's move on to DIY number 2. For this, I'm going to take one of this beautiful white bunny sign and one of this famous wall tile that everybody has used. So I want to try my hand on it. So I'm going to trace out exact shape of this bunny, and I'm going to carve it out according to the shape of this bunny. And I'm going to attach this wall tile onto the back of this bunny with generous amount of hot glue like you're seeing, and I'm going to attach portion by portion like the top part, and I'm going to do the bottom because the hot glue dries out and it doesn't stick well. You know what I'm saying, right? And so yeah, I'm going to generously allow a lot of hot glue onto it, and I'm going to attach this wall tile, and this is how it looks. It looks pretty already. And I'm going to take this white chalk paint, and I gave like generous 2 coats and I let it dry. After it's dried, I thought of using this beautiful markers with pink and green for the florals and the leaves, and I didn't like the brightness of it, so later I went with this pink chalk paint and also green acrylic paint. You're going to see that in just a second. And see, this is what I'm doing. I'm just covering it up. I didn't like that coral pink. I want to do light pink, baby pink. And this is the green, lime green for the leaves. So I'm going to take some time to decorate this and show you back how this turned out. And this is how it looks after all the paints are adorned for the florals and greenery. Now I took one of this pink ribbon and I created a bow, and one end of it I circulated around his neck. And for this green satin ribbon, I took exact matching to those greenery, and I'm just twisting 4 or 5 times around 2 of my fingers, and I created a 3 loop bow, and I think 4 loops bow, and I'm going to attach that on top of this pink bow to actually complement the colors and the decoration on the white bunny. And I also took one of this white sheer ribbon, and I'm just doing the same thing, and I'm circulating 3 or 4 times, and I'm knotting it down 2 times. So I'm going to attach this on the top of the green bow, and I'm going to also attach one of this pink rose. It's actually a clip, so I just attached that on top of this cute bows, and this calls it done. I don't want to do anything beyond. I just love how this cute pink and green and white, they're all complementing each other with the cute bows and a rose. I think this is my favorite today, and I absolutely love it. So what do you think? So let me know what your thoughts are. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this, I'm going to take one of this pink and white checkered sign from Dollar Tree, and I removed this sticker on the top of the sign, and I carefully removed, and I'm going to use that on top of the egg. You're going to see that in just a second. And I painted the center with white chalk paint, and these are the bunnies that I stole from another sign, and I took 3 bunnies, and I'm going to place them on top of this painter surface with generous amount of hot glue, and I'm also going to stick some decorations on top of it. You're going to see that in just a second. I just wanted to fill those holes with the hot glue, and I thought I would give like a nice pearls decoration on top of it there. Then later I went with pink flowers and white flowers, and I also attached one pearl in the center for the pink, if you can already see it. And for the white flowers, I'm also going to attach pink beads, and this is how it looks after all the florals are done. And I took one of this black marker, and I'm drawing lines and dots around the white surface, and I attached one of this cute bow which already has nice decoration on it, like Easter, happy Easter, and the bunnies of different colors. I just loved that ribbon, and I created like 4 loops, and I attached 2 of the carrots on top of it to finish the look. Isn't this pretty? I just love how this pink and white checkered, and also those cute bunnies and the bow, everything are complementing each other. I think I love this one too. So please let me know what you think as well. Let's move on to DIY number 4. For this, I'm going to take one of the sign that I used last year, and this also has this pink and white checkered paper straw, and I attached that to the border, and I'm just painting a little bit of white paint on it. And this is one of the egg. I stuck some of the pearls, and I painted all with chalk paint, and this is what I was talking about. I carefully removed the sticker from the previous sign, and I'm attaching that to the top part, and with generous amount of Mod Podge, I'm just brushing the Mod Podge, and I'm carefully attaching this bunny trail farm, and you're going to see that in just a second. A little bit of a task there. And I also took a little bit of this antiquing wax, and I'm actually dry brushing to give like little distressed look on all over this white painter surface. And I'm going to attach this egg on top of it. For this, I wanted to highlight the beads as well, so I did the dry brushing on the beads as well. And this is one of the cute white bunny from another sign, and I'm going to attach that in the center. Before that, I also want to attach some of this stickers with the farm fresh letters from which I stole from the other sign. That's what I was saying, that I carefully took out those words from the sign, and I attached that on top of this egg, and I attached one of this cute bunny in the center, and also another egg that I use for another project. So I'm going to attach all the 2 eggs and 1 bunny, and I think I also went with one of the cute bow on top to finish the look. Isn't this pretty? It's actually saying farm fresh eggs, grown locally, open daily, 9 to 5. So this is one of the cute sign, and I absolutely love it. So let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 5, and this would be a quick hack, and this is the sign that we actually stole those 3 bunnies from here. And I'm going to attach this gingham bunny in a row, so I'm going to take 3 of them and I'm going to pull off those bows, and I'm going to attach cute bows. So I also took one of this ribbon with a lot of bunnies next to each other, so I'm going to attach that from one end to the other like a garland, and I'm going to attach this pink gingham bunnies that are hanging from the garland. That's the look I'm actually going with. So I just attached a little bit of a hot glue here and there to make it look like a bunny garland, and I'm not going to do much, and this already has all the decorations. So I attached some of the bow with few of the ribbons that I like, and I attached that on top of this hanging part, and I call this is done. And this is some of the cute bows that I already made. I wanted to give like nice pastel bows, and this is another cute bow with a lot of cute, spring colored ribbons. So yeah, this is another one that I absolutely love it. So yeah, let me know your thoughts too. So these are some of the social media handles if you'd like to connect with me over there. And now we reach to the final part of this video, which is the final reveal of all the DIYs today. So like you figured, this is all about pink and white checkered or buffalo plaid and pink and white gingham themed DIYs, and except this one, this is just the floral and pink florals and greenery, and I somehow wanted to add this also to the DIY, so I just loved this one. So he joined the party. So yeah, these are all the DIYs that I absolutely love today, and I hope you also enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you like some of these ideas and you would like to join with the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join. And I also wanted to take some time to thank you all for taking some time to watch this video, and you made my day here. Thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate it. And I would let you enjoy the final reveal. Until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.